Take 432. Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I'm going to share with you my 5 favorite tool deals currently at Lowe's. Yesterday we did the Home Depot deals, had some amazing things. So if you missed that video, go check it out. I'll try to remember to link it down below. Otherwise, go a few videos back on the channel and you'll see it. But there's some amazing stuff that you don't want to miss out on. So today it's Lowe's turn. Now, this first deal is a bit sketch, little not we'll get to it in 1 second. But all the other ones you can buy online, have it shipped to you. I even think all of them are free shipping once we get past this one. And I'll either link them down below or I'll use the YouTube shopping thing, whatever I can find it. I'll give you some way to purchase the item if you're interested. First deal we're looking at is the Werner 4-foot fiberglass 225-pound step ladder. Normally $60 down to $29.98. Now, the reason this one isn't as ideal is you're going to have your store have it in stock. You're going to have to buy online and pick it up in store. Because if I go over here and click delivery, it's a $79 charge, which that totally kills the deal. We don't like it after paying all that. So as you can see, there's one. If you live near Chicago, they have 2 in stock here, but you're gonna have to find it in stock locally. But at $29.98, I love that deal. You gotta love a nice sturdy ladder. Know what? Don't listen to anyone. If you grab that ladder and it wobbles back and forth, nah, screw that ladder. I ain't getting on that thing. I had this old rickety ass wood ladder, and you know this little top step that says do not use as a step? Well, I was standing on that. And this wobbly ass thing, I zigged when I should have zagged, or the ladder zigged, and I landed flat on my back from the 6-foot ladder up here. Boom! Like, oh. Yeah, I hate ladders, especially wobbly ass ones. So you need a nice sturdy ladder, and 4 foot's better than 6 foot, closer to the ground. I'm already 4 feet tall. When I'm 6 feet in the air, it's a lot higher than what you guys think you are. Next up, we have the Cobalt 3-nailer 6-gallon air compressor with accessories. So it started out at $2.99. It's been on sale for a little while now, but down to $1.99. This is a really good value if you would have a use for it. It's a 6-galloner, which is pretty nice. A lot of them, we can see like a 1 gallon and a 3 gallon. And those things just never shut up. They'll run nonstop. At least this, you're getting 6 gallons. With nail guns, for the most part, they're about the best thing you can run on these little guys. I mean, you can't really use a blowgun or like sander or some kind of a thing that eats up a lot, but these things are pretty good for it. And you also get it's probably a 25-foot hose, right here, 25-foot hose, and you're getting the 3 nail guns. So, you know, if you were to buy cordless nail guns, it would cost you at least $1.99 for each individual gun. So having the air hose connected to it isn't as convenient, but sure is a hell of a lot cheaper, and sometimes that's good enough. Here we have the DeWalt Power Detect 2-tool brushless power tool combo kit with case. Normally $3.99 down to $3.49, but then we also get a free gift. We'll look at all the gift options here in a second. Now, you definitely want to compare this with the 2 DeWalt combo kit deals we talked about over at Home Depot. So that's why you really got to watch that video too, because if you're interested in the combo kits, you got to pick out which one's the best for you. So here we have the 998 hammer drill. You get the little auxiliary handle guy, and it comes with the 8 amp hour battery over here. Has the little LED light. I wish with these I need a better picture. So this is, I think, the same style as the 999 as far as the light down here. That should be a 3-position switch where you can switch it over to where it stays on for 20 minutes. I think that's the same light. And that's actually kind of cool because you can use it as like a little work light. So when there's a battery on it, I guess even if there wasn't a battery on it, it aims kind of at an upward angle, as you can see. So you can use it as a little work light if you're doing something. Maybe you don't have power, it's just dark area, whatever. You can keep the light on for 20 minutes. And I really like that. You have the 3-speed transmission on the top. That's the same as the 999, the half-inch chuck. And then this should be the 887, which has been around forever. They love including this thing. And I like how the lights are a little triangle around there so you don't get shadows and everything. And then we're getting the 2 to go along with the 8. That's the DCB 118 charger, I believe. So that's an 8 amp output paired nicely with the 8 amp hour battery. So you can charge it in about an hour. Now, if we look at the free items, we can get another 8 amp hour battery, which I probably wouldn't do, but that is a high value battery and one that isn't included in a ton of other promotions, so I wouldn't be mad at you if you did go that route. We have the power detect, paddle switch, angle grinder, the circular saw, reciprocating saw. I think that's the same drill. I don't think I would go for a second one, but maybe. But all high value tools to go with it. So at 349, decent battery and charger, some good tools. Now here we have the DeWalt Extreme 2-tool 12-volt brushless drill and impact driver, 2 battery charger with a free tool at $199. When we did the Lowe's in-store shopping video, this deal was available, but I'm telling you, the 12-volt tools are pretty good for being 12 volt. I mean, obviously you're not getting the same power as you're getting out of the 20-volt stuff, but I feel like this lineup should be more popular than it is. These tools are so lightweight and compact. I like this lineup. So you're getting the drill, you're getting the impact driver, getting 2 batteries. Those have to be 2 amp hour batteries. I don't know if it says anywhere. And then we'll look at our free gifts over here. Get an impact wrench would be a really good deal. Now this looks like 2 different impact wrenches. I'm just going to go ahead and assume one's a 1/2 inch and one's a 3/8. Oh, there we go. 1/2 inch, 3/8. Got it. Right at the tail end. Oscillating tool. Probably wouldn't go with that one. The ratchet would be pretty cool. Of course, the SDS, that's a pretty high value one. We got the other ratchet. Let's see, those 1/4 and 3/8. That makes sense. Little one-handed reciprocating saw guy, circular saw, and then the big 5 amp hour battery, which I think that's the biggest battery they have in the 12-volt lineup. I might be wrong on that, but I feel like that's the largest I've seen. I would probably go ratchet or impact wrench, but I tend to go towards the mechanic tools more than others. Next up, we have the Die Hard 10-piece multi-purpose air tool kit. Look at this. Normally $95, but right now it's on sale for $47.49. You get the handy-dandy case. You have a 25-foot hose. And then somewhere here we can see our tools. We get an impact wrench, we get a ratchet, and we get the chisel. Then if we look over at this picture, we can see some of the accessories that we're getting. Just our little fittings and our chisels, our punch guy. This is actually really good. Even if you just have a rusted up bolt, just use the little center punch guy right on the bolt and just kind of loosens up all that rust and everything. But $47 is going to be shipped for free if you're still relying on an air compressor. Again, you're tethered to that line, but boy, is it cheaper than a cordless version. And to go along with that deal, if you want one, you might want the other. Heck, you could also do it with the Cobalt deal. Then you're getting the 6 gallon instead of the 3. Of course, you're paying a lot more for it, getting those nail guns. Here's the Die Hard 3 gallon, 135 psi hot dog air compressor. It's a hot dog right here. 139 down to 69.50. So half off on that guy. Really good deal for a 3 gallon air compressor. 1 horsepower induction motor, oil lubricated pump, cast iron cylinder sleeve. Look at that, a somewhat comparable 8 gallon. Cobalt is 189. This 6 gallon is 99. 69.50. I like that. All right, let's mosey on along here. Craftsman RP. I don't know what RP stands for. Rustic Power. Brushless power tool combo kit with soft case. You're getting 2 batteries with that and the charger. Then we're getting a free item. I think we have 2 options here. You'll see them here in a second. That might be the next one that we have a couple options. So normally 179 down to 129. You get the brushless tools, of course, always an upgrade that everyone complains about if they're not. If we look at our freebies here, oh yeah, there we go. That's look at you can get the 4 amp hour battery, or if you want to live dangerously, you can get the 4 amp hour battery. So weird that they have this like double dipped like that. But really like it. 129, you're getting 2 brushless tools. drill impact driver. That kit by itself comes with 2 batteries, which I don't know if it says. Of course, this thing won't go down far enough. Eh, yeah, they don't say on them. They're probably 1.5. So I don't know what the C is for these guys, but I think it's 1.5. Anyway, you're gonna get 2 batteries, which they might be crappy batteries, but you're gonna get a 4 amp hour battery to go with it, which is a more high value battery. And in this kit, just the sheer volume of tools that you're getting and the price point, it's just pretty amazing, especially for someone who just needs to get into a cordless tool lineup. 8 tool Craftsman combo kit. You're getting 2 batteries, but then we're also getting the free item, comes with the charger. But at $2.99, look, that's $2.99, 8 tools, 2 batteries. That makes it just $29 a piece, but then we're getting a free item to go on top of that, so a little bit less. Reciprocating saw, circular saw, sander, jigsaw. Looks like the light back there. Like they're even hiding the light. They're like, we don't want them to actually see that the light's here. Let's just hide it behind other stuff. It's just kind of in the background there. You get the oscillating tool, the drill, the impact driver. So this is all their economy stuff. Like there's nothing here I don't think that's brushless or anything special to write home about, but certainly good enough for average homeowner use. Those are 2 amp hour batteries we're getting with it there. But then if we look over, let's see, is this yeah, it's the same one. You're getting the 4 amp hour. But adding a 4 amp hour to this kit's actually pretty nice because you're definitely going to want the 4 on some things. Like even the sander, it adds weight and bulkiness to it. But if you're doing a decent size sanding project, you're going to burn through 2s really quick. So it's nice to have the 4 on that. The circular side obviously want to have a 4 on it. The other stuff kind of depends what you're doing, I guess. But the price per piece on that is really amazing. That's a good deal. You don't want to sleep on that one. So there it is, guys. My favorite deals available right now over at Lowe's. Again, I'm going to have those YouTube shopping links if I can find the stuff down below. And then also check out that Home Depot video and definitely compare those DeWalt deals if you have any interest in the DeWalt at all. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.